Welcome to Factory Outlet Trailers. My name's Glenn, better known as the Champ. I'm not going to show you a trailer today. I'm going to show you a 7x16 ball of fun. Have a quick look inside here, and what you're going to see is you're going to see a 7-foot clearance on this trailer. You're going to be able to put any side-by-side that you want, any snowmobile, any quad inside this trailer. It's already set up for recessed tie-downs, so you tie it up and away you go. This trailer is fully finished inside. If you want to camp and set it up to be a camperized unit, you're camping, your quad, and your snowmobile, what could be more fun than that? Come around the front. We'll have a quick look at some of the benefits of this trailer. Not only is it black on black, which looks absolutely fantastic, it's got a nice RV door, which is easy to get in and out of when you're on the inside camping. If you have a quick look at the front, you're going to notice here we've got a rounded front, we've got a rounded top. It's got checker plating up the sides, which is going to protect that from any kind of rock damage and on the front. And remember, this is the deal of the week. So it's more than a trailer. Come on down to Factory Outlet Trailers, and don't forget, ask for the Champ.